Nobody makes it easier than Burien Chevrolet.
This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. It has what you need for work as well as what you want for play. Complementing this Chevrolet's contemporary styling is a stunning array of desirable features which include adjustable driver pedals, a heated driver's seat, an MP3 CD changer, a rear stereo, parking distance sensors, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has just over 37,000 miles. The dependable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, is solid and dependable. Not to mention that this Chevrolet qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this truck in person.
Nobody makes it easier than Burien Chevrolet.